For anyone who is wanting to try out the manufacturing sector, I would just say just go for it, like try it out. When I was in my last year of high school, I was awarded the Tenaris Scholarship for Women in Academics and Athletics, and as well as the Tenaris Merit Award. Yeah, Tenaris has always been a strong player in the Sioux. They employ quite a number of people. Starting as a summer student, I would say, is a great opportunity for anyone to excel into the role of a full-time employee and starting in a global trainee position. So working in the manufacturing sector is really great and fast-paced work environment with a lot of performance and goal-oriented type tasks that I really enjoy. I continually motivate anyone who is wanting to take a chance and dive into the manufacturing sector. I've been involved with various career days with different schools, getting to chat with young women about to go into the industry, as well as leading tours for young Indigenous and Métis youth. Even though the manufacturing sector is a male-dominated industry, I feel like us women should not be afraid to break through and start our careers in manufacturing.